What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T to the Y, and I got a fresh cut because you know I had to get it. But other than that, what's up with y'all? I'm back on the channel. Yeah, I'm about to go to the shop. We in Reading, PA right now. So yeah, I'm about to go hit up the shop with Freddie. He said he was working on the truck. I was chilling in the crib for a minute, and then I'm back outside. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff coming to the channel. Y'all just stay tuned. Like I said in the last couple videos, and when y'all was watching the video with the scat, I appreciate y'all for getting them views up for me. I got a motorcycle coming to the channel, man, so that's what I'm grabbing. I was gonna grab another car with a turbo in it. I was thinking about, you know, a couple cars on the list, but I didn't want to say too much because I wanted to grab, you know, it was two other cars that I wanted to grab, but I don't know, I just was thinking, you know, in the mind, but I don't know. But I've been wanting a motorcycle for a while, so definitely I've been riding since I was a kid. So you know, if you don't know, then you know, go back on the videos, and then you will see I've been riding since I was a kid. So I was riding probably since I was 5, maybe not. I ain't gonna say 5, probably like, you know, 8 years old or something. I started. Look, speaking of the bikes, look, they are. So yeah, I'm gonna get me a bike, get me a 1000 CBR. That's what I'm looking towards, CBR 1000. So I might grab that soon. I was on Craigslist. Oh, I said Craigslist. I was on Facebook Market, and I've been seeing them. So I'm gonna see what's up, see what's, you know, catching my eye. Seen the Gixxer 1000s, but I'm really a big Honda guy on the bikes. So yeah, I seen this one bike for 45. I might, you know, go out in the 6-hour ride though to go check it out. That's, you know, that's deep. I gotta fix this fucking suspension. Don't you go out there, buddy. Just do it right here. I ain't even looking. But other than that, yeah, let me get back and focus on the road, and I'm gonna get back to you when I get to the shop. Hold up to the shop. Freddie should be working on the truck, but yeah, like I told y'all, I'm trying. What a light at? I told y'all I'm trying to figure out, you know what I mean, what bike I'm going to pick. I want a CBR 1000 so bad, between 04 to 07, and I'm trying to figure out, that's like the brands, and well, not the brand, but that's the, I guess, the gen that I like, the generation I like. So I'm gonna stick between that and the Gixxer, the K5 and the K6. So it's so, you know, so many bikes out there to go between, but I just want to make sure I got, you know, in between low to a lower mileage to like mid-range miles. I can take a bike for, you know, 15,000 miles to maybe 22,000 miles. So yeah, just don't want to grab a bike that I'm gonna regret grabbing. But like I said, I like the older bikes, so I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna get y'all motor vlogs, you know, switch it up on the channel a little bit more. Definitely still gonna be car content. Like, I throw everything in my vlogs. This is a vlogging channel. I just do a lot, you know. I just vlog my whole life that I do. Whatever I like, I put on the channel. Whatever I want y'all to see, I definitely post for y'all. But yeah, other than that, I do so much on the channel. Like, it's so many things you can, you know, get from my channel. But other than that, we at the shop. I'm gonna see what they getting into, and yeah, I'm still looking for a garage as well. So if you know anybody that got a garage, got a shop they want to rent, let me know. Hit me in the DM. If you know, 4 to 5, maybe 600 a month, but I don't mind paying, you know, $540 a month for, you know, a 1-bay or a 2-bay garage. I'm willing to, you know, some type of garage I can work on and take my cars in and put, you know, store shit in there. So let me know if y'all do know anybody that, you know, got a garage they want to rent out or something. So I've been searching. I've seen a couple, but, you know, it's just, some of them are too far from me, so I need a little bit closer. I'm on traveling, you know, 30 minutes to a shop or so from me. But other than that, let's get in the shop and see what Freddie and them is doing. Fred, you got a haircut? What? You got a haircut? Me too. No, you didn't. Not the last time I seen you. Let me find out you got a new daily. Let me find out you got a new daily. B-Man. B-Man. What's up, B-Man? You got rid of the truck? Yeah. Oh, you got rid of the Tahoe? Yeah. Damn. This is all. Damn. Oh, did you bought them? Yeah. Ah, you bought them motherfuckers. Yeah. They came packaged good? Yeah. See?
The only thing I don't like is how...
What, the plates?
Playing catcher, like,
well, basically how this was mounted. It looks like it's mounted lower than what the factory
was. But you can adjust it, right?
Well, no. Oh shit! Well, it's like fucking, because like that plate's already welded on. This is what
Freddie got a lot of shit. The Mazda don't look too bad, y'all. Not too shabby. Tires starting to wear crazy because of the fucking alignment on my camber. But that's why I swapped them in the last video. Look at Freddie. I told him to buy the frame things that they came online. He did, so look how much fucking that shit was eating. That salty roads, man. That's what it do to your car. Them salt and the snow roads will fuck your fucking frame and metal up. But Freddie changed it and he bought them now. So now he got a lot to do now. Change everything up. He took the tank out. He painted the back of the bed. He's gonna do the same painting underneath the frame. So all this is gonna be black. So this is nice. This came with 3 bars, 1, 2, and this one here. So
Monday at 7:30.
He's gonna have to tack all the shit in, and then the back plate's here. So it's gonna be real sturdy. So it's gonna be really dope to see. So look at that. All that shit came out the car. That shit bad. He's gotta take this one out, and he's gonna leave that one. Just paint it black. You got 410 gears in here, aluminum drive.
Yep.
I think this is a 5.3. So I asked Freddie, but I believe it's a 5.3. That truck is a 4.8. It's pretty cool to see him, you know, getting his shit done.
He said
Had to come up here, fuck with Freddie for a little bit. Yeah. Fuck around and slide on with Steve tomorrow. See if we can ride the 4-wheelers. And I'm gonna fuck with Steve and see if he can ride the dirt bike again. But you know what I mean? So we're gonna see what's up, y'all. Freddie has the 240 over here too. We got the 240 over here. And he needs to work on that too as well. This summer he's gonna work on it after he's done with the truck. Hopefully he gets it out because he's been procrastinating over the years, and who to blame him? I procrastinate too as well, so yeah. Oh, my Mustang strut bar up there.
Hey, don't film it alone.
Hey, it's dark. You can't see your fucking work over here. But yeah, he has a 240 KAT motor.
That's a secret.
It's a KAT motor, right?
It's the KA24.
KA24. The truck motor. No, it's a truck motor.
Yeah.
I mean, we can go an argument all day. What's the difference?
The difference is the T41 motors have an actual main girdle instead of main caps.
So this still an iron block, right?
Yeah, but the head's different. The cams are a little different. Intake cleanup looks different. I think the compression is different.
So you basically got an SR.
No.
Alright, but he did a lot of work to it. It's pretty cool. That's my first time meeting Freddie. He was in the 240. That's badass too. Until we hit the fucking guardrail. What you trying to do? Pick up your coffee or some shit? Or you was trying to drift? He was trying to slide. He did the rocket arm. That was your young days, huh? Yeah, he did a pretty good job on the rocket arms. Fuck yeah. That shit looks good. So what?
It's not pretty, but it will do.
It will do, yeah. Hell yeah, that shit looks good. Sealed and everything. Motorcycles. It's that time for me to get a bike, Freddie. Oh yeah. I'm getting a fucking sports bike. ASAP. Prompito. We sponsored by this brand right here.
Valvoline.
Vava no lean. Because I'm not sponsored. Vava no lean. Until they start sponsoring me.
Hey, beggars can't be choosers.
Hey, you can't. You might as well use fucking what's that cheap ass oil?
STP?
No, the other one. The one
Walmart brand?
no. Not the Walmart one, but it's I'm forgetting this shit.
It was on Simple Oil.
Shell oil.
What's wrong with Shell?
I fucking ain't using that shit.
What? I use it.
Is it good?
It's not bad. I mean, it's not great.
I be thinking that's the cheapest one because I come in the first aisle, it'd be showing it right there. Boom.
So what do you do? What is this?
So I kept it together so that way we can get the measurement, like the length of it. Probably go like an inch or two more Yep. This is the only thing that's stopping me from driving a Mustang or either starting a Mustang. So yeah, I'm gonna put you on the time lapse. Me and Freddie gonna get this cracking. But mostly Freddie, cause I ain't trying to do shit. I'm gonna let Freddie do it. Cause he's more wiring boy. I can do it, but Freddie's give him something to do.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
Wire is all done. New pigtails on there. And yeah, Freddie did the other one. I did this. I just put it together. I'm gonna probably end up electrical tape this whole thing. Electrical tape and this. Tape this all up. Make it a little bit better, but other than that, it's pretty done. It'll work. I just need the connection, that's all. Everything else is, you know, it's cool. And here, alternator side, this is the pigtail to the alternator, and this goes into the alternator too, so it'll all work. I'll just have to, you know, put it on there and make sure it's aligned right. And yeah, y'all gonna get a start up on the Mustang again, so y'all stay tuned to that. Probably gonna end up ending the video here though. We ain't about to do nothing else. We just watching Everybody Hates Chris on the TV and shit. So about to just chill for a little bit more, and then I'm about to hit the crib and shit. So y'all stay tuned. Probably got a video for y'all tomorrow. My boy Jared hit me up. He got a Honda SI, so we're gonna see what's up with that, and probably do a review on that for y'all on the channel. We're gonna check all that out. So y'all just stay tuned for that video. It should be popping out soon. So yeah. I'm out of here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.